Degenerates, Filth. I see you slithering out there, lurking, plotting, infecting the neighborhood. Don't think I don't know what you're doing. Your crimes, your filth, your stench. You'll rot in the gutter before I let this street fall to ruin. I told them that the world was ending in the suburbs, but nobody listens when a woman screams the truth. Clocks are melting in the kitchen and a nurse Griselda poisons my teacups with her witchy hands. Around half naked, pretending he's God's gift to filth. Does she see it? Does she smell it? The carpets reek of sulfur and unwashed guilt. I am surrounded by curls, degenerates, lies, and monsters and wigs. The mayor's wife, she's no wife at all. She's a pit bull in pearls. You'll just applaud, you clap for it. Like seals choking on a fish to me. Like good. I swear, on my dead mother's rosary. Before insect crawls across my pillow, I will burn this entire house to cinders, and you'll all thank me.